Alright, it's your boy Jay from Road to Happiness, and this will be my first video. I'll be uploading a new video with me introducing myself and all of that. But for now, we're just gonna watch me do my set of workout. So what I'm gonna do is start uploading my workout as a collage at the end of the week, and my regular scheduled program at maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, depending on what I have to do in the week. Alright, so my first exercise of the day was wide grip lat pull downs. So that was 150 pounds with a rep of 10. So 10 reps, 150 pounds, 4 sets. Yeah, so I ended up doing a second variation because I like to mix it up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so I just decided I'll do 150 pounds on the Kale rows as well, because why not? I can manage, so why not, right? Now here I'm doing some regular inverted rows. Yeah, it's been a couple months, I'd say about nearly a year. Yeah, nearly a year since I've done these, so I kind of forgot how to set them up. Normally I do it the other way around and set my feet on the bar right there, but yeah, I totally forgot, and I tried to do it with the just plain, didn't work. I tried with the dumbbell, didn't feel right. I tried with the plate plus the dumbbell. It felt better, but not perfect. So after I decided that was enough of that, I switched it and did it the other way. Yeah, so after all that, I was pretty tired, so I had to get a little pick-me-up, which coffee doesn't really work for me, but you know, a quick glance in the mirror is all I need. So there you have it. This is one of my favorite machines, favorite workouts for the lats. Some real nice tension on the chest as well. Yeah, so I did I was pretty tired. I don't know why I was so tired this day, but I only did 20s on each side for reps of 10. I think 4 reps as well, 4 sets I should say. Then I'm gonna do some hammer curls. It's been a while since I've done hammer curls, but yeah, they still feel good. I have no complaints. Alright, now we're gonna do some shrugs. They're a hit or miss for me. Sometimes I really feel them, sometimes it's like the weight is too much, so I don't get the contract that I need. So I just tend to grab what feels comfortable instead of doing what my workout planner suggests. Okay, now we're gonna finish up with some preacher curls, and that's the workout for the week. Well, for the week for you guys. For me, I work out 5 days a week. All work days, so Monday to Friday.
Ready to go work, I'm gonna show up. Yes, see him there. Yeah, see him there. You know, say you're very photogenic.